there will be opening of confirmation. 10 to 10:30 to 11 o'clock, there will be a prosecution's opening statement, and then magbe-break. Meron ding rally outside the ICC building. In front ng malaking building ng ICC, ang mga Filipino community, pinangunahan ng mga diehard Duterte supporters from the different parts of Europe. Inaasahan namin ang mga leaders na dadalo. May mga dumating na from Vienna, from Switzerland. Na-meet ko na rin sila kahapon. So it was a peaceful rally naman for the ICC. Dito sa Netherlands, everybody is the same, everybody is equal. Kahit yung former president, we can call him Tatay Digong or Digong. So, kami naman, kalmado lang talaga kami this time kasi alam namin yung proseso dito sa Europe. Pero as much as possible, kailangan namin ipaintindi sa ating mga kababayan sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao ng mga diehard supporters ni FPRRD, then this is the process. We have to filter their emotions kasi ang mga iba, sad, lonely, grabe na yung grieving and mourning na for 11 months na they really want FPRRD to go home. And we become the hope of them na kaya namin siyang pauwiin, kaya namin siyang palabasin, di ba? Pero but we really tried our best to support. Pero kasi wala na tayong magagawa, the case is already in the ICC, so we have to depend and trust the lawyers that they can fully submit what they need this today. And then we will wait for the further instructions for the following day, kung ano yung mga requirements pa. And I hope that they will comply. We have to trust the process kasi andyan na eh.